Ever wanted to work with a drummer like this? Or like this? Fucking sick. Or like this guy? But instead, you're gonna get drummers like this, or this. Well, not this, but maybe. Or this happens. You're not alone. So has this guy. Pew! Like heaps of people, Star Panda has spent years waiting on drummers, with nothing to show for it except mental illness. So what can this cobber do? He could try out depression, bit of despair, ask a bin, ask me to learn the drums, or ask me to build this into a 9-foot frickin' drummer. G'day, I'm Luke, and I hope this bloody works. So let's do it. Let's build the band Panda Power Wizard Master Smasher, the robot drummer. This isn't my first rodeo. It's not my last rodeo. It's not a rodeo at all. I've never even been to a rodeo, but what it is my second attempt of building a drummer. Check it out. It's fine. It's just moving with like solenoids. Yeah, it sounds good, but those are just backing tracks. And what it really sounds like is this. Just tippity tapping. This is what I want it to sound like. This band is captured by robots. They're awesome. This is much better. So I bought some stuff. This is me opening the box. Sped it up so it looks smooth. And I bought a big bunch of stuff. So when I open this box, you'll see. Here we go. Here we go. We got some pistons. Yep. And then some solenoids. So this is the data machine. So the MIDI goes into that, and then comes out of there into these things. These are solenoids, and they're gonna go. They sent air into this thing, and they go boing, pow, pow, like that. And that's going to set off this thing here, which is like a kick drum. It is a kick drum pedal, and that just goes smack. Yeah, this is me wiring the solenoids, but you can't really see what's going on, so that's kind of pointless. Check it out, doing it real fast. And then, this is me plumbing the manifold, looking real nice. Then I realised I didn't have enough of those for them and the pistons, so here's a new package. Me opening it with some muscles, and there's some right angles. So I undo the manifold and then chuck in the right angles, and they don't fit next to each other. Yeah. So put the first ones back in again. Yep, that was a good job. And then I put the right-angled ones on the pistons. But, all that did was just make the spring-back system slower. So that didn't work at all. Quick check to see if the right-angled one would fit. It didn't. No. Here's the tubing. It's pretty good. So, I needed a break from that. So, I called up a mate, get a spanner. And I had a spanner, as it turned out. But anyway, and then we went to Total Tools. Oh my God. And I was like, I need an air compressor. And he was like,
what do you need it for?
Building a robot drummer.
Why don't you use motors? They're lighter and quieter.
And I just told him I saw a guy on the internet. And now I'm like, oh my God, every decision I made in my life is wrong.
Let's do some maths.
Did some maths and shit, and then I thought we could get this small one, and he was like, nah. I was like, now I got this thing. So I was kind of hoping this spider would be kind of like light and portable, and we got this massive air compressor, well, massive-ish, and it's whisper quiet, as you could hear, just real quiet and subtle. So that's the thing too. Just crying. Or just have pasta. Anyway, here he is putting the nipple thing. I think it's called a nipple on the manifold. And we're taking off all the things that I made a mistake. And now we're putting them back on. This is us taking the right-angled fittings off. Pistons. So these right-angled fittings had flow control on them. That's why it didn't work on them. on the pistons. So yeah, we're putting them back in the manifold, but this time with the spanner. One of us is struggling. I know which one. It's definitely not him. Anyway, I keep struggling. There we go. Keep struggling away. Yeah, I've done 2. He's done like 6 or 7 or whatever. Yep, yeah. Oh yeah, I did the last one. Legend. Oh, and yeah, now we're on the pistons. We're going to be putting on the right fittings onto the pistons. Little push-on things. Probably wore out all the little special tape in there. I'm cutting them things. Now we're putting them together. Look at this. Goes from the manifold into the solenoid. Here's some more of the hose thing. Just like, oh yeah, tighten up some nuts. Forgot to tighten them up. Just the spanner now. Put them back in again. Yeah, putting it in that one. Probably the same one. Different angle, different angles. Then checking it in. Yep. Then we're going to get some hose. Look at that. Stick it in that. And then we stick it in that. And then, yep, it's in. Yep, yeah, good job. Yeah, put it in. Good, well done. Oh, no, oh, you're right. Now it's in. And then, oh, there we go. It's working. Check it out. Let's press the button. Yeah, it's looking good. This one, yeah, really good. Just needs probably a bit more pressure. We'll add that. Yeah, as you can see, still testing. Boom, boom, bam, pow. Yep. Press. Oh yeah, added more pressure. This is what happens. A bit more pressure. Yeah, you're just gonna cut up some more hose. There's the hose, and then we're just like plug it in. Look, these hose legs are too long. I'll short that later. But yeah, anyway, plug everything back in. There's all the solenoids ready to go, ready to be plugged into the hoses. And now we're plugging into the hoses, into the pistons, and this is us putting the hose into the pistons. This is us being subtle hose. And there's the data machine all plugged into the solenoids. This is the MIDI master. We're just going to take it out of the keytar. Look at it go. Yep, yeah, good cameraing. Yeah, this is the MIDI master. These are great. It's just wireless MIDI. You don't need batteries. So far, so good with these. It's been, yeah, I love them. Yeah, and can't reach. Yeah, thanks, mate. Oh, yep, okay. Very similar. Oh, yeah, and that one didn't fit. Got the wrong one. Yeah, cool. So I'm just going to put that back. That's just the transmitter. I need the transmitter and the receiver. Nice one. You put it back. Put it down. And, yeah, here we go. Here's the actual one. Oh, yeah, this is good footage. Really good camera work. Here we go. Yeah, got it in. I hope I edit this. Yeah, there I am. Looking at the side. Yeah, okay, I edited it. There we go. Plug that in. Looking good. Looks great. Plug that in, and as you can see, the data's all plugged in. Just loading up Cubase, and this is me editing some MIDI for the drums. This took a long time. Every hit, kick, snare, everything had to have 2 beaters on it. Same length for everything. It took days. It took so many days. Anyway, it looks good now. 22 pistons it can fire at the moment, something like that. Actually, look like I'm a pro there. And I'm going to press play. I think I gave Mark a bit of a scare there, And then, hey, that's everything being triggered by the computer. Yeah, it looks sick. Yeah, we just got to attach these to some drums somehow, and that's it. That's it for today. But yeah, we got this far. We got this working. Yeah, all right. So I've been Luke, and I hope this bloody works.